In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a list view in Salesforce. Whether you're tidying up or managing your workspace, deleting unnecessary list views can streamline your experience and make Salesforce work better for you. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to the tab of the object where the list view you want to delete is located. This might be under Leads, Accounts, Opportunities, or any other object tab that you work with frequently. These tabs are typically found at the top of your Salesforce interface, and each one contains different types of records related to that specific category. Selecting the correct tab is crucial because that's where your desired list view is stored. Once you've clicked on the correct tab, you'll see a drop-down menu in the top left corner of your screen. This menu lists all the existing list views associated with the object you've selected. Scroll through the options until you find the specific list view you wish to delete. This might be a list view you no longer need or one that was created for a project that's now complete. Selecting the right list view is essential because deleting it is a permanent action. With the specific list view highlighted, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the List View Controls icon, which looks like a small gear. This icon is situated right next to the search bar. Clicking on this gear icon opens a drop-down menu with various options for managing your list view. From the drop-down menu that appears after clicking the gear icon, look for the option labeled Delete. This option is your gateway to removing the list view from your Salesforce interface. Select Delete to proceed to the next step. As a safeguard, Salesforce will prompt a confirmation dialog to ensure you want to proceed with deleting the list view. This is a crucial step because, once deleted, the list view cannot be recovered. If you're sure about your decision, click Delete again in the confirmation dialog. This final click will permanently remove the list view from your account. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a list view in Salesforce. This process is straightforward, but it's essential to ensure that you're deleting the right list view, as this action cannot be undone. By keeping your list views organized and up to date, you ensure that your Salesforce environment remains efficient and clutter-free. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tutorials. Have a great day and happy organizing in Salesforce.